Excuse my stuttering, because I'm not doing good at this right now, am I? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and look it! My hair is a different color again, guys. Okay, so this hairstyle that I have in my hair right now is another Crochet Braids hairstyle. And I am actually back to using Trendy Tresses. They sent me another curl pattern to do a review and tutorial. Trendy Tresses has, the quality of hair that they carry is amazing. I will have the information on this hair and the curl pattern linked in my description box, okay, so that you can go on over there and shop. Excuse my stuttering, because I'm not doing good at this right now, am I? Oh my gosh. The curl pattern of this hair is called Goddess Curls. Now, since Trendy Tresses has such great quality hair, you gotta make sure that when you're knotting the hair, you knot it at least 4 times.
Cause he is the truth, said he is so real. And I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Because his light, it shines so bright, I wouldn't lie.
I'm sorry guys, I didn't film myself cutting the hair. I do realize that I did that. In all of my videos doing my hair, I do cut my hair. I do show you how I style it. I do show you how I cut the hair. Typically, for those of you who are new and have not watched my other crochet braids tutorials, once I'm done crocheting my hair and then the hair is all in my head, I just take my scissors and I just cut in an angled, in a downward, like in an angle, okay? I stretch out the curl and then I go just like this. I cut going downward. Just to make the hair yours. It is your hair for the time that it's in your head. So you might as well make it look nice. Cut the hair to your desired preference and rock it. That's it. How you like the middle part? You like that? You like that? That cute? That cute? Oh my God.
Stay there, my heart.